Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to master Appwrite step by step. Appwrite is a powerful open-source backend-as-a-service platform that helps you build secure, scalable web and mobile applications with features like authentication, databases, storage, functions, messaging, and APIs. So let's get started. First, build a strong foundation by learning the Appwrite dashboard and understanding how projects are organized. Create a sample project, explore the interface, and become familiar with the main services available in the platform. Next, practice using the core features one by one. Start with authentication to manage user accounts, then create databases for storing application data, configure storage for file uploads, and experiment with functions to run server-side code. Learning each service individually makes it easier to understand how they work together. Once you're comfortable with the basics, connect Appwrite to frameworks such as React, Next, JS, Flutter, or other supported platforms using the official SDKs. Building real projects is one of the fastest ways to improve your skills and understand best practices. As your applications grow, focus on advanced topics like API keys, user permissions, security rules, environment variables, deployment strategies, monitoring, and performance optimization. These skills will help you create reliable backend systems that scale with your users. Finally, keep learning by reading the official Appwrite documentation, exploring new features after each update, and building increasingly complex applications to strengthen your development experience. And that's it. You now have a clear roadmap to master Appwrite and build modern backend-powered applications with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.